So we're going to talk about doing the first 5 notes of a scale on the saxophone. So a lot of woodwind instruments follow the same type of pattern with fingerings, whereas the more fingers you put down, the deeper the sound goes. So we're going to start with index, middle, ring on your left hand, index, middle, ring on your right hand. And then we're going to lift up that ring finger. And then we're going to lift up that index finger on the right hand. And then we're just going to have index, middle, and ring on the left hand. And then take off your ring finger. And then your index. So you'll notice that for the most part, the more fingers you put down, the deeper it goes, and the more fingers you take off, the higher it goes. So that's pretty straightforward for most woodwind instruments. So in general, the saxophone requires a lot of air, a good firm embouchure, good posture, good playing position, and overall good air support. So with articulation on both clarinet and the saxophone, it's pretty much the same exact concept. So to articulate notes on the clarinet and the saxophone, your tongue has to make contact with this space between the reed and the mouthpiece. Just demonstrate. A lot of the times you'll hear teachers say the tip of the tongue to the tip of the reed, which can be a little bit confusing because then you'll have students articulating by pressing the reed against the mouthpiece. But it's really just using your tongue to stop the flow of air between the reed and the mouthpiece in this, it's kind of hard to see it, but in this little tiny space right between there. And by doing so, you stop the vibrations and you make a crisp articulation.